Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace the RAM on your laptop. Before we start, I need to advise you that you remove the battery. Then you have to unscrew all the screws. For me it's just 3. I removed the 3 screws. If you removed all the screws on your laptop, you need to lift up the cover, but you need to make sure there are no cables behind or you are going to rip them off, like here. If you successfully reach the RAM, you can just pop it out. There are 2 clamps on each side which you need to press, and the RAM should pop up by itself. You should be really careful at this step so you don't damage anything else by removing the RAM. And just like that, you remove the RAM on your laptop. To put it back in, you just need to hold it on a 45-degree angle and push it down. The clamps should grab it by themselves. Just like that, you upgraded your RAM on your laptop. Thanks for watching till the end. I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe. Check out my next videos. Bye.